Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today is going to be a quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY. I've already got this turned upside down, but we've got this little guy, which I found for $1. And that, I believe this was either at, I don't think it was at the Dollar Tree. I think it was at the 99-cent store. Definitely got this guy at the Dollar Tree. And then these came either 3 or 4 to a pack of in the party section. So I wanted to make a little candy dish for these red jelly beans. And I didn't just want it to be a plain old candy dish. I wanted it to have a little bit of flair. And then when I started putting things together, I saw something amazing, and oh my gosh, just wait. So let's go ahead and get started. You're just gonna need these 3 pieces, and you'll want some E6000 or Fix-All, and then I'm also gonna be using my hot glue gun, just because for time's sake. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna flip this over, because we always flip it over, right? We're going to flip this guy over as well. And I am going to put some Fix-All on every other ring here. It's not a ring, a side. Like this. Because I don't want my hot glue to be touching in the same spot, but I want it to definitely make sure that it sticks for a good long time. And now I'm going to go through it with my hot glue gun, and I'm going to do that part rather fast here because I don't want it to cool off, but I want to make sure I get all the sides. So that is done. It already cooled off a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to put it together and make sure that it is nice and exact. There we go. And so now we've got the stickiness because of the hot glue, and then we've got the Fix-All, which is going to definitely adhere that. Okay, so we've got that. Now we're going to take this piece. We're going to do the same thing. This piece I'm going to just put a little bit of Fix-All here. And then we're going to put that hot glue around, and then the same on this side. And then we're going to take this piece off for the time being, and we're going to stick that guy right in the center, in the perfect center there, just like that. And now, you're not going to believe what this makes. Does this not look like a queen on the chess piece? How cute is that? I'm going to take a picture. You guys, we are done. If you want to paint it, feel free. You can paint it white. You could paint it black. Or I'm going to leave mine in crystal, because when I put my jelly beans in there, it's going to have that nice see-through. So I'll take 2 pictures with the jelly beans and without, so that you can see. All right, beauties, I hope you like this. I do. It looks so cute, and it looks just like a queen on a chessboard. So perfect for a game night. If you'd please give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And again, make sure you subscribe if you're not already a beauty on my channel. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
of your